Hi, we're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we are going to be looking at a Husqvarna Z246. This mower does come with a 54-inch fabricated cutting deck. There is also a spout for easy cleaning and a step. This mower has a durable front design with heavy-duty casters. This mower has a removable floor panel for access to your cutting deck. There is a standard low back seat. This mower does come equipped with the cutting edge cutting system. There is a cup holder and storage space, as well as your back tires. This mower does have a Kawasaki FR691V engine. We have our fuel tank and control system. There is a 3.5 gallon capacity on your fuel tank. This mower does come with your controls that has your hour meter, throttle, and ignition. On our cutting deck, there's a plastic chute. This mower's cutting deck is made of 10 gauge steel, as well as having our 3-blade design. This mower has a top forward speed of 6.5 miles per hour. Once again, this is the Husqvarna Z246. If you are interested in this mower or any other mower we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.